Alright, welcome back. Now, this video will be the most important one you need to watch because I want to explain the Woocommerce plugin that actually powers the e-commerce section of any WordPress website. It's a very powerful plugin that helps us add price to our products, different currency. You want naira, you want dollar, you want anything. So, and now we can actually get people to add it to cart and then make it easy checkout. So that is all e-commerce is all about. Now the plugin is called Woocommerce. You can see. So by default, it comes with this theme that we actually installed, but we need to now go in and do the setting. That's the first thing we need to do. So under Woocommerce, let me take it again. Locate Woocommerce. It has been installed and activated already. Now click on settings. You observe here that by default the price here is quoted in pounds sterling. So now let's change it to, you can change it to naira, you can change it to dollars, but the client I'm working on wants to start taking payment in dollars. Okay, but for the sake of this tutorial, so that you can see how possible things are, I'm going to actually use naira for this tutorial. So now let's pick an address. Let's say Allen Avenue. So you start by address Keja. That's Lagos. Now your country or states. Now you can search for Nigeria here. Nigeria, okay. Nigeria in Lagos. Lagos. Do we have Lagos there? Okay, there's it. So now that is done. Okay, you can put the zip code 23401. So you need to, because we're gonna do this the general setting, so we've put our address here. Now selling locations, we're gonna be selling depending on where you want to sell to. So you can pick specific country. So maybe you want to sell to Nigeria, you can say, you can actually look for what, Nigeria. Do you see now? So ship to all countries you want to sell to. So all this depending on what you want to enable the use of coupon codes. It's by choice. Now under currency options, just like you have it here, the currency is quoted in pound sterling, but we want to change it to naira. So now under this currency, go here and let's search for naira. You can see Nigerian naira. So once that is done, just click save changes. Just click on save changes. Now I don't think we have a lot to do with product. Let's go to payments. Shipping also shouldn't be something you need to worry about. Just go to payment. There you need to actually indicate how you want to collect your payment. Now you can either choose cash on delivery or PayPal. So I'm going to actually choose both so that you can see how it looks like. So you select it, you see it is not set up already, it is not enabled, so you enable it. Now PayPal also, this client has a PayPal account, so you enable it. Good. So now that is done, we need the logo. Okay, you see, so check this so that the logo will be displayed somewhere around here. You see accepted payment methods. So PayPal is accepted, Visa is accepted, MasterCard is also accepted. So you can also cash on delivery is accepted. So once that is done, we need to, let's save it first before we now set up our PayPal. Good. Now notice that we have PayPal here, but it is not set up, so enable it first. Just enable it. Okay, enable. Now go to setup. It's so easy to follow. Oh, that's true. Yes, yes. We cannot use paper because paper does not go with Nigerian currency. That's why we already choose okay, that's good. Payments. We already choose cash on delivery, you see? Yes. Or direct bank transfer. These are the payment system that is allowed in Nigeria for now. Assuming I'm using US dollars, then I can actually pick PayPal. So, but just let me show you how it's going to look like now after doing that setting. So let's reload. It's so simple. That is the plugin that actually powers our e-commerce on our WordPress site. So you can see everything has now been changed to what? Nigerian naira. Isn't that amazing? So you can see, so our prices are now quoted in what? In Nigerian naira, just by going under what? Woocommerce. Where is it? Woocommerce, and then locating what setting. So it's under the payment, under the general setting. We choose Nigeria as our country. We input our store address, and then we choose naira as our currency. So I haven't done that. There's not so much you need to do. Let me see if the currencies are already added. You can see these are the accepted payment methods. Now it's showing the kind of payment we actually accept. So it's so simple. Now what we need to now do now is now work on the categories of products we have. You know, these are products that came by default, but we want to start changing them because the client needs something under sunglasses, wristwatches, and health and fitness. So which I'm going to actually edit these categories that you already have here. Just edit them and start doing your own. So how do we do it? Once we have imputed the settings for our WooCommerce, now it comes with a product section. So under products, go to categories. Before you start placing your products, you need to create your categories. You can see these are categories that we already created. These are categories that we already created. So if you want to create your own now, it's so simple. You can go ahead and create them as you deem fit. But I'm thinking of changing them to what I actually want. Okay, let's check out for the categories here. Okay, there is electronics, there is accessories, keys and covers, laptops, and what have you. Okay, all right, let's go back and see. Okay, all these ones are under electronics, you see now, and they already have products in there. Okay, this is what I would do. Let me create my own categories. Now I want categories on sunglasses, you see. So you can actually write the same thing here in small letters, the slug. Now if you want to put them under category, start. So but we want to make it a parent category, so just say add new category. It's so important you follow these steps. You can see sunglasses, this is a new category that we've created. Also wristwatches, so same thing here, small case, wristwatches. So add new category. Can you see it's already there? So you can create another one. Let's say health and fitness. So that's another one, that's health and fitness. So a new category. So you can see these are the three categories we just added to our product categories. So this is where we're going to actually start putting in our products. But let me explain two things to you before we start adding products to all these categories. There are two types of products in e-commerce. There is the single product, which means it doesn't have any variation, and there are products that has variation. And how do you understand this? What we mean by a single product means a product stands alone. It doesn't have different colors, it doesn't have different sizes. But when you have product like, let's say, a product that varies in sizes, so you must understand how you are going to actually what position the product. So far you've been able to know how to set the WooCommerce settings, and how to create product category. So when next I come in, we are going to actually start putting in our product into these new categories we created. So once we're done doing that, then we modify it, and then we make it look so cool to our own taste. So see you in the next video tutorial.